Okay guys, it's the Commodore, unit number 810. Great balcony. Plenty of seating. Two Gulf front masters. Flat screen there. New doors in here too. Most of these TVs are new, but that is not. There's that second entry point there. These countertops are different. That one's Formica. And this other one is marble. Or I'm sorry. Yeah, marble. The carpet to me is in pretty decent shape. I mean, maybe use a cleaning, but it's got mirrors all along that wall. Hi. And this one's got the flat screen too. It's the cultured marble. This is a walk-in shower there. There's the kitchen. These cabinets, I think, are updated. Or somewhat, anyway. I don't think they're original. This is Formica counter. Looks like they've got a new fridge. And there's washer and dryer. These are two double beds here. Actually, they may be queen. No, double. Walk-in closet and then entry to the bathroom there.